times a second. At the time of making this video in February 2016, the latest iPad Pro with an A9X dual-core CPU is capable of around about 1.5 gigaflops. That's 1,500 million flops per second. A typical $1,000 PC with a single Intel 5820 6-core CPU is capable of around 100 gigaflops. That's 66 times more than an iPad Pro. You can measure the performance of your own Intel-based PC or Mac or mobile device with the same type of LinPack software as they use to benchmark supercomputers. Just look for the link in the description of this video. Because supercomputers are so much more powerful, they are measured in petaflops. One petaflop is equal to 1,000 teraflops. And 1 teraflop is equal to 1,000 gigaflops. Now remember, our PC was 100 gigaflops. The iPad Pro, 1.5 gigaflops. A petaflop is equal to about 1 million billion calculations per second. One estimate suggests that it would take a human about 32 million years to complete the same task. Now we know what an everyday computing device that you or I own is capable of. Let's see how it compares to the top 10 supercomputers in the world. All the figures given were correct as of November 2015 and gathered from the top 500 list of supercomputers. At number 10 we have the Stampede supercomputer at the Texas Advanced Computing Center at the University of Texas in the United States. This supercomputer is made by Dell and has a maximum LinPack performance of 5.1 petaflops. That's the equivalent of 51,000 of our $1,000 PCs or 3.4 million iPad Pros. It has 462,462 processing cores and 192 terabytes of RAM and consumes approximately 4.5 megawatts of power at maximum performance. At number 9 we have the Shaheen 2 at the King Abdullah University of Science and Technology in Saudi Arabia. This supercomputer is made by Cray and has a maximum LinPack performance of 5.5 petaflops. That's the equivalent of 55,000 of our PCs or 3.66 million iPad Pros. It cost approximately $51 million to buy and install. It has 196,608 processing cores and 790 terabytes of RAM and consumes a maximum power of 2.8 megawatts. At number 8 is the Hazel Hen at the HLRS in Stuttgart.